Dr. Pepos here. Now, this is a biology question on ecology, and I just want to show you an easy way you can use to actually answer similar questions in any paper that you might actually encounter. Now, this is the carbon cycle. So, the carbon cycle actually shows how carbon is actually cycled in the atmosphere. So it would actually exist in different forms and in different organisms, and of course in different components. For example, you might have it in the atmosphere as carbon dioxide. You might have it in animals as, let's say, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and all that. You might actually have it in plants in the form of the same carbohydrates and the likes. Then you might have it in the soil as organic matter. So what you can actually see is that if you look at things like fuels, especially fossil fuels, those would actually have a lot of carbon in them. Now, the question is asking which of the labeled processes removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Now, what you have to know is this: there's only one process that removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and that is photosynthesis. So, meaning any arrow that moves from the atmosphere and goes into green plants, that would definitely be your answer. So it's kind of different from the nitrogen cycle. I'll actually do a question on the nitrogen cycle as well, so that I can show you the best way to go about this. So A is the one that is moving from the atmosphere to green plants, and that's the answer. Then what is the effect of overuse of fertilizer in a farmland near a stream? So we definitely know that if you have fertilizer that is applied to a farm, that means that is washed away. And if that is washed away, that means most of the fertilizer that is washed away into the stream is used by aquatic plants. So if those aquatic plants use fertilizer, they will grow. So the more they grow, the more there will be a competition in terms of oxygen between aquatic plants and aquatic animals. And this battle of oxygen is what we call eutrophication, which is actually B. So we're actually going through past papers. So if you're writing under GC, we're actually going through past paper classes. And also there are recorded videos for different topics in biology, math, science, and English, which you can also purchase. If you're writing next year, we have already begun the classes so that you can have enough time to prepare. If you don't want to get the videos or join our classes, you can simply inbox me. Dr. Pepos here, signing out.